In this video, we are going to see how to add employees on super billing. Let's get started. On the left menu, click on Accounting, scroll down and click on Employee. Manage Employee screen will be displayed. On the right side, click on Add Employee. Type in the employee name, designation of the employee, the mobile number, email address. These fields are optional. The salary is also optional, and the type of salary, per month, per week or per day. The join date of the employee. Next, the address of the employee. The status of the employee, whether the employee is employed or on hold or terminated, or you can enter your own status. Now I am going to select employed, and the referral commission is if you have a plan to provide some referral bonus to the employee if the employee makes a sale, then you can enter the referral commission here. Whether you can provide a flat rate like 100 per sale or make it 10% per sale by clicking on this percentage checkbox. If the employee has a balance, you can enter the balance, whether it is receivable or payable. And the employee ID, this is important and this is a mandatory field. You have to enter the employee ID. For now, I am going to give it as 1000 and click on Save. Employee has been saved. Close this. And in the Manage Employee list, you can see the saved employee. Now, let's come to the options that are at the bottom. Select the employee, and here we have 4 options. View referral. So a view referral screen will be displayed. Here the sales referred by the employee will be displayed, and you can pay those referral and mark as paid. Now let's close this. And the next option is pay salary. If you click on, you can pay salary to the employee. Now let's get the scenario. Now let's add a sale with the reference of the employee. On the left menu, go to Sales, New Sale, and select a product. And here on the referral text box, you should input the employee's referral code or referral ID, which is 1000, and let's save this invoice. Okay, the invoice has been saved. Let's close this, close the invoice window, and now if you click on View Referral, there will be a sales referral will be added here. The description is sales, sale amount is 5,000, referral amount is 500, which is 10% of the total sales amount, and the invoice, the reference invoice, the date of the invoice. Now you can click on this select checkbox and pay the referral by clicking on Pay Referral, and you can pay either by cash or bank or any other accounts you have, and click on Add. And now click after you have paid the referral, click as Mark as Paid, and it will be marked as paid and it will not show again. Now if you need to pay salary to your employees, click on Pay Salary by selecting the employee, and the amount, the salary amount will be pre-filled and paid through, and click on Add. And now the salary has been paid to the employee. To check that, on the left menu, click on Accounting, click on Ledger. and on choose account, click on employee 1 and click search. And now you can see you have paid to the employee, you have paid the referral and the salary. Thank you for watching.